Good morning. The topic is mutation breeding for oligogenic traits. Mutation breeding for oligogenic traits. Okay, write down. It is based on the selection for a recessive mutant allele of an oligogene, Oligogene. First up, next para. In M1, capital M1 generation, several hundreds of seeds are treated with a mutagen and are space planted, SPACE hyphen PLANTED, planted. First up, next sentence. About 20 to 25 seeds from each M1 plants are harvested, harvested separately to raise the M2 progeny rows, ROWS. First up, next bar. It is preferable to harvest the seeds from each inflorescence or spike separately and grow separate progeny rows from each of them in M2. First up, it is by following the conventional plant breeding techniques such as, care should be taken to avoid outcrossing. First up, it is by planting the M1 population in isolation or by bagging the inflorescence. Next one, in M2 generation, the individual plant progenies are grown because the observations are based on the single plants. First up, next one, all the plants in M2 rows suspected of containing new mutations are harvested separately to raise individual plant progenies in M3. First, however, most of the mutations will be useless for crop improvement, but only 1 to 3% of M2 rows may be expected to have beneficial mutations. First up, next one. In M3 generation, only individual plants may be selected, semicolon. Those rows, ROWS, those rows exhibits the homogeneous condition. First up, that is, superior mutant lines alone harvested in bulk, BULK, and is used for a preliminary yield trial in M4. Full stop. Next para. In M4 generation, comma, the preliminary yield trial is conducted and only the promising mutant lines are selected for replicated multi-location trials. First up, next bar. In M5 to M7 generations, comma, the outstanding line may be released as a new variety and is distributed among farmers only after the multi-location trial, that is yield trials, were subjected. Okay, thank you.